Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how you can embed Google Forms and surveys in Google Sites. Now, before starting, if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Sites, you're a beginner, or even if you're a first timer in using this software, do not worry because I got you covered, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. If you are interested in watching, by the way, we actually have a dedicated video that covers all the basic features and functions of this software, so you guys might want to check it out. Now, just to give us a bit of a background, Google Site is actually a free web-based tool that is used to create websites and is ideal for both personal and professional use. Now, just like what you've heard, you do not need to download anything nor pay for anything. All you have to do is access it via your web browser, in which we already made a tutorial on how you can do that in our YouTube channel right over here. So you guys might want to check it out. We have a dedicated playlist that compiles all the Google Workspace software tutorials like Google Docs, Google Sheets, and many more. Now in today's video highlights, I'm going to show you this one on how you can easily embed Google Forms and surveys on your Google site. Like this one, as you can see right here, I have the sample Google site that I've previously made. I can switch accounts right here. I can decide to record an email. If you have a question right here, you have a question. You can clear your form. You can click on the next section right here. I can click on the next section, and as you can see, we have the option if you can answer this one, you can answer this one. So you can see all of the different question types. You got it here. And adding linking a Google Forms is actually quite simple. All you have to do is to focus on the right sidebar of your screen, head over to Forms right here, which is the second to the last option, which will open up all the available forms inside the Google Drive of the account that you use to sign in Google Sites. Now, let's say, for example, I want to add this form, which is another survey that I've made, or sample survey. Click on Insert and wait for it to load, and as you can see right here, it has uploaded the Google survey. If I click on preview, I can actually access it like so. As you can see right here, I can directly access the Google Forms. I can scroll on it. I can make it pop out to a separate window or tab by clicking on this button on the upper right corner. And that's it. Basically, as simple as that, you can easily embed Google Forms and surveys on your website, which could be very useful. Now, if you did learn something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like and hitting that notification bell, as well as leaving a comment down below in which you would like to see from us next. I'll take it from here, guys. Thank you for watching once again, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.